So, welcome back. Let's look at these identity elements. We are still under binary operation or what? Yardic operation. So, what is an identity? So, an identity is very simple. Identity are those numbers that leave other numbers changed afterwards operation. So, if I used to tell my students, if I'm teaching them that identities, so many of them are identities, they will tell me, uncle, how? I will tell them, okay. Now, whenever they are writing an examination, there are some people that whenever they are copying from your book, whenever they are copying answer, you understand, from your book, they will not even touch you. You don't even know that they are copying your answer. They will not even make you to know. You not even know from their eyes. So those people are what? Identity. They leave your book unchanged. They just copy and what? Paste, which is not good. Anyways, so now there are people that are not identity elements. People that when they want to copy, they will even drag your hand, hold this like this, bend your head like this, or pull it like this so that they will see, or even shift your body. So those people are not identity. So identity are those numbers that leave another number unchanged after operation. Examples of numbers that are identity. Number one is a multiplicative identity because when you multiply one with any number or one multiplying any number, vice versa, it leaves it unchanged. And zero is a addictive identity because zero plus any number is still that number. So let's read what is on the board. It said identity elements are those numbers that leaves other number unchanged after operation. Example, one is an identity element for multiplication, and zero is an identity element for addition. Identity elements of a binary operation are those elements that leaves unchanged every element when the operation is applied. That's identity element for binary operation. It leaves every element unchanged after the operation is what applied. So let me explain it further. For example, if you have, okay, let me write the formula. It means that A star, let's assume that the E is what? The identity element. It's still the same thing as E star what? A, which will still give us what? A. So this is the word formula for identity element. So let me show you just example. For example, if you have, let's assume that this A is 2. 2 times a certain number will give you what? This same 2. And you know that any number that will multiply that 2 times that number that will give you the same 2 is only what? 1. Because 1 is is what? A multiplicative identity. So this one is now representing this E. You understand? So for example, um 3 times a certain number will still give you what? 3. So 3 times what? 1 will give you what? 3. That means that 1 is what? An identity. Understand? So let's go to addition. For example, if you have 5 plus a certain number will still give you 5. And you know that 0 is an addictive what? Identity. So 5 plus 0 will give you what? 5. You understand? So now if you have 7 plus what will give you still 7. So it is 7 plus 0 will give you what? 7. That means that 0 is what? An identity. So that is what this formula is trying to do what? Tell us. So in our next video, we are going to solve examples on it. So okay, let me leave you with this one. 6 times dash will give me 6. Number one question. Then 10 times dash will give me 10. Number two question. Then number three question. 13 plus dash will give me 13. Put the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.